Hey everyone, it's Katie here and I'm so happy to be back with Shoes of Hollywood looking at some more gorgeous shoes for you all. Now today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different style. I personally love it. Let me show you. Today we'll be looking at some pleasers. They are a 6-inch Delight. They come in the beautiful pleaser box with the butterflies, which you all know I love. Lots of packaging in there so you don't ruin them. You get a nice little bag to keep them nice and safe as well. What do we got here? Each shoe is individually wrapped, so there's no scratches on them hopefully when they arrive. And as you can see, nice beautiful black. As I said, 6-inch Delight. And they do have your little piece of plastic here with your little bit of paper to keep the shape nice and beautiful. These are fantastic going out shoe. I know you can get them in a couple other colours as well, but I personally love black. Black goes with everything. Packaging here. Another individually wrapped shoe. Nice grip as well on the bottom. Some more paper. Pop the box aside. I'll pop them on for you. Now they are, as I said, a little bit different to what we usually show. They are closed in. They have a little buckle as well, so you can make it nice and fitted to your foot. Might pop it a bit tighter actually. Now these are quite new, so it might be a little bit hard to get it through to start with, but it'll get easier the more times you put them on. These do go with everything in my wardrobe. How glossy! Now I love very high heels, but these are perfect for everything. Now, it's a little bit overcast outside. I love the sunshine, so I'm super happy to still be taking you out. At least it's not raining. At least it's not very hot, which is always good. Here in Australia it does get quite hot during the day. love these. These are my favourite. So shiny. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the little bell if you want to be notified. I love showing you all of these beautiful shoes. And let me know what you think. I love to read the comments. I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.